I've got a 2003 Craftsman Push Mower, and it needs a tune-up. So let's get at it. Alright, so let's go over the parts really quick here. SAE-30 oil, Phillips screwdriver, breaker bar, deep sockets, replacement blade, replacement spark plugs, and the replacement skirt. When I go to change the oil, I'm going to use that cup right there in the gloves so I don't get a huge mess all over me. Yeah, let's dive into it. Okay folks, let me go ahead and give you a walk around the mower before we get started. Now this is a 2003 Craftsman Eager 1 mower that's never been tuned up. It has all its original parts, which are going to be hard to find. You're just not going to find them. You're going to have to go on various websites and get aftermarket parts. Even the oil has never been changed. Now let's get started. First step is I'm going to disconnect the spark plug. No accidental startups here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drain the oil out of this now. And I know tipping it over on the side probably isn't the most conventional way. I know there's a plug underneath. I don't have the correct tool to go ahead and do it from the bottom of the mower, the undercarriage. So we're going to tilt it on the side, let the oil drain out, and we're going to go ahead and replace that oil with the Toro SAE-30, 18 ounces. And that's roughly half a quart of oil. Now here I'm using that 9/16 deep socket in the breaker bar to get off the old blade. And it's pretty beat up. It's taking a minute to get off. But I'll show it to you. Don't worry. Just as soon as we get the new blade on. Now just look at this rear deck skirt on the back of this mower. Yep, it's time for this thing to go too. See you later. I told you this thing was junk. Falling apart. Just falling apart. Alright, folks. I bet you thought I forgot about adding that oil. Not a chance. Let's take all 18 ounces of that SAE-30 and put it in the reservoir. Alright, I'm using the 13/16 deep socket and breaker bar here. We're going to go ahead, remove the old spark plug, put in the new one, hook it back up. And last but not least, for the replacement parts here, we've got the air filter. Now you can see that this one is pretty disgusting. Yep, 2003, never been changed, and that's the brand new one. Let's hope it all works. All right, folks, another DIY project down in the books. Yep, and not too soon either, because I gotta get this lawn mowed. This is already getting out of hand, and this needed to be done. Thank you all for joining me today, folks. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see all of you on the next adventure. Take care, everybody.